Hope and desires. I hope to see you soon. Let's hope he will get better soon. I believe things will get better. Hopefully, it'll be sunny tomorrow. I keep hoping that she will win the show. I wish it would stop raining. If we're lucky, we'll arrive there on time. With any luck, she will go home early tonight. I would like to buy a new car. I want to be a doctor. What I really want is to have an apartment. Asking for opinions. What do you think about this problem? What do you think of my new house? Do you have any thoughts on that? How do you feel about that? What is your opinion? Do you have any idea? Do you have any opinion on this matter? What's your view? Please tell me your opinion on this subject. What is your opinion about that? Can you give me your thoughts on the report? What are your feelings about his behavior? I'd like to hear your views on this matter. Expressing opinions. I think we need to buy a house. In my opinion, this is the best website for learning spoken English. I don't think we should get a new car. Personally, I think you're right. From my point of view, she is the best student in the class. As far as I'm concerned, this t-shirt doesn't suit you. My personal view is that he is a liar. In my point of view, this is the most beautiful island on earth. It seems to me that we get lost. To my mind, it's the right thing to do. I personally believe we're in the right way. Agreeing with an opinion. This is absolutely right. I couldn't agree more. I completely agree with you. I agree with this opinion. Disagreeing with an opinion. I don't agree with you. I think you're wrong. I don't think so. I'm afraid I can't agree with you. Making appointment. Can we meet on the 14th? Can we meet next Friday? Are you available on the 14th? Are you free next week? Let's meet this evening. When can I talk to you? Can I meet you tomorrow afternoon? How about tomorrow afternoon? Is next Monday convenient for you? Do you have any time available this week? When would be a good time to meet you? Would today evening be all right? Can you give me an appointment on Sunday? Accepting an appointment. Sure. I'll come. Yes, Sunday is fine. Friday would be perfect. I'll be there at that time. Canceling. Rejecting an appointment. Sorry. I have another appointment at that time. I'm sorry. I can't come. I'm afraid I can't on the 14th. I'm sorry, I won't be able to make it on Sunday. Sorry. I don't think I can make it. Talking about fear and anxiety in English. Are you afraid of the dark? I'm afraid of being alone at night. I'm scared of snakes. I'm frightened of spiders. I am terrified. I get scared very easily. I was terrified when I heard the noise outside. I'm worried about her health. Useful responses. Don't be afraid. It's not a big deal. It is nothing. There is nothing to be afraid of. Take is easy. Calm down. Making promises. I promise that I will finish the job on time. I promise you that that's the truth. I swear I will never leave you. I swear I won't let you down. I assure you that I will return the book tomorrow morning. I assure you that I will be there on time. Believe me, I won't make you disappointed. Trust me, I can do it. Useful responses. Thank you. I believe you. All right. Keep your promise. I hope you will keep your words. Just let the time answer it. Admitting mistakes. I have to admit that I was wrong. I admit what I've done is wrong. I shouldn't be like this. Sorry. I know this was my fault. I'm fully responsible for this matter. I have made a mistake. It's my mistakes. Forgive me. Yes, I take the blame. I was the one to blame. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done that. I never intended it that way. Useful responses. Don't mention it. Let it go. That's fine. Just take it easy. Don't do it again. Forget it. It doesn't matter. That would be okay. Don't worry about it. It's okay. Questions about preferences. Which do you prefer, football or volleyball? Which do you like better, tea or coffee? Do you prefer hot coffee or iced coffee? Would you prefer to go for a walk or see a movie? Would you rather have dinner with me? Expressing preferences. I prefer tea to coffee. I'd prefer to have some water. I like tea better than coffee. I prefer reading books. I prefer jogging to running. I'd prefer living in a city to living in the country. I would rather go home. I'd rather stay at home than go out. I'd rather take a nap than go for a walk. I'd rather play football than golf. Expressing cause and effect in English. I help you because I like you. I study hard because I want to pass the exam. We have to go home since we have no idea where to go next. You need to hurry up since it's very late now. I can't go out as it's raining. I can't run fast as I'm too fat. I love you, so I will do everything to make you happy. I didn't eat anything, so I'm very hungry now. We had to cancel the picnic because of bad weather. I did it because of you. The flight was cancelled due to the storm. I came home late due to the traffic jam. He didn't work hard. As a result, he was fired. I was busy this evening. Therefore, I couldn't come to your party. Thanks to his hard work, he got a raise. Asking about feelings. How are you feeling? Are you okay? Is everything all right? What's wrong? What's the matter? Do you want to talk about it? Expressing feelings. I'm very happy right now. I don't think I can be any happier right now. I feel a little sad. It's been a difficult day. He made her very angry. I've been in a bad mood all day. I'm mad at his behavior. I feel very depressed today. You seem a little blue today. I've got a headache and I feel terrible. Making and answering a phone call in English. Can I speak to John, please? I'd like to speak to John. I'll put you through. Hold the line, please. I'll connect you now. I'm sorry, he's on another call. I'm sorry, he's not available at the moment. Please call back later. Could you ask him to call me? Would you like to leave a message? Who's speaking? Who's calling, please? Could I ask who's calling? Can I have your name, please? Who am I talking to? It's Mary speaking. Is it convenient to talk at the moment? Sorry, you must have the wrong number. Sorry. I think you've dialed the wrong number. Hang on for a moment. I'm about to run out of credit. What number can I reach you at? Who do you want to talk to? Hold the line, please. I've got a very weak signal. Can you hear me okay? Could you please speak up? Sorry. I didn't catch that. Could you say it again, please? Making friends in English. It's nice to meet you. What's your name? I'm John. I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. Where are you from? I'm from the US. What brings you here? I'm on holiday. What's your phone number? Could I take your phone number? May I have your address? Are you on Facebook? Who do you live with? I live on my own. I live with my friends. How old are you? I'm 30. When's your birthday? It's June 16th. Asking and giving directions in English. Excuse me, Do you know where the bookstore is? How can I get to the train station from here? Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the bus station? Can you show me the way to the post office? Excuse me, where is the hospital? Can you show me on the map? What's the best way to get to the airport? What's the fastest way to the airport? How far is it to the stadium from here? What street is this? Is this the way to the police station? Is there a supermarket near here? Can you give me directions to the gas station? Talking about jobs and occupations. What do you do? What do you do for a living? I've got a part-time job. Where do you work? I work from home. I work in a factory. What is your occupation? I work as a doctor. I'm looking for a job. I'm a teacher. I'm not working at the moment. I'm unemployed. I do the paperwork. I have my own business. Do you like your job?